Okay, so guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about RedNote app, how you can use this app. So what you have to do in your mobile phone is just go to App Store. When you go to App Store, then just search something called RedNote. When you search the app, then the app will appear at your screen. Then just click on Get. When you click on Get, then the app will install in your iPhone or Android phone, whatever you have. And this is about 408 MB, guys. The app is huge, guys. I mean, this is huge, guys, literally. So yeah, so guys, we just have to wait till it is installing, and then I will tell you how you can sign up in this app and run this app, guys, basically. So yeah, let's install it first. As you can see, the app is installed. I will just click on open. When I just click on open, then you will have some important notice. Just agree to that. When you agree to that, then you can just allow or disallow the notifications. Then you just have to select your date of birth. I'll select my date of birth. As you can see, now click on next. After clicking on next, you can just skip this step if you want to select your interest. So I will just select my interest like tech and gadgets. Then I'll just select finance. Then I'll select something like painting or something. Now I'll select photography, guys, photo tips. Then I will select motorcycles. Then I'll click on confirm. When I click on confirm, guys, then it will load for some time. Then it will just show me another screen. As you can see, guys, right now this app is running now, guys. As you can see, if I go to me, I can just log in, or if I don't want to log in, guys, then I can just use this app. As you can see right now, this is the app we are using. It is pretty fast, guys, and you can see the most of the content here. So what you can do, if you want to log into this application, then you can just click on login. After you click on login, you can just give your mobile number, or if you go to other login methods, then you'll see the other login methods, guys. So what I can do basically is I can just log in it with my Apple ID, I think. Yeah, if I go to other login methods, then I'll just go to the Apple logo here, and you can see I can use my Apple account to create an account on RedNote. So I'll just click on continue to make the account. After clicking on continue, guys, you just have to do nothing and the login process will be done. As you can see, your ID is running around now in RedNote, guys, and this is the content. If you go to follow, these are the creators you follow, and in the explore tab, you'll see all the type of content. And if you click on nearby, you can just allow the location to this app, then you'll see the nearby content, guys. So yeah, depends upon your location, guys. And if you go to trending, then you'll see the trending content, which is getting a lot of likes basically. So yeah, this is the content people are most interested in, guys, basically. So go to messages if you want to message someone, or you can just want to see your messages. Then yeah, guys, it's pretty basic and easy to run, guys. This app is pretty basic. Then if you go to plus, then we can just add our content. Right now I don't want to upload anything. So yeah, guys, this is basically the steps how you can just run RedNote in your iPhone. I think now you guys know how this app works and how to install this app basically. So yeah, if you like this video, then please subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.